Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how do you make a really cool bug hotel? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and this month is all about the environment. And in episode 66, me and my amazing co-host James did a cool bug house where all you need is a selection of sticks and a toilet tube. So here's how you make one.
This one, like we said, we're using some toilet paper rolls here that are empty. We're using some string, and we've just got ourselves some smaller twigs and sort of sticks like that. This is a really easy one. This might, if you use your bigger sticks and your drier sticks here, this might attract some of our bigger insect friends. So we might have some bees, we might have some wasps, we might have some ladybirds deciding to use this. You could also hang this from a tree as well, which we'll have a look at. So you can also keep it on the ground, and we can also pop it in a tree. You could also make little ones of these and put them inside bigger bugger hotels as well. We are just going to have a look at how to make them first though. So
what do we need to do?
Get your lovely trusty toilet roll tube and cut them here. I have the world's bluntest scissors, but they seem to be holding up all right today. So you're just cutting one incision to open it up like this, and what this is going to act as is this is really easy. It's just going to act as binding our twigs together. So that's it. So I'll give you those.
Thank you.
And yeah, so you have your binding cardboard there.
All the way through, yeah?
All the way through, just one cut.
There we go.
Okay, so you should be able to sort of peel it open a bit. So we're not doing it too much so it loses its shape, but just peeling it open. And just get whatever twigs you want. So Mike's got some of the smaller ones there, so that's going to probably be used for our smaller insects. These slightly bigger, drier ones, I'm just going to pop in, and these might be alright for our bees and such like.
So are you cramming it all the way up to the top, are you?
So if they come out both ends, that doesn't matter. That's actually quite ideal because it gives our insects just something to climb out up into, rather than going straight into a bit of cardboard, which there probably is not very natural to them. So if you have them sticking out at both ends, that's absolutely fine. And you're just putting as many in as you want, sort of cramming it, because like we said, cardboard's not very natural. They're more there for those condensed sticks, not so much getting into a tube of cardboard.
Does it matter exactly, you know, if it's dry or wet leaves again, or is it again? It gets different people or different insects.
Again, I mean, if you want to create a range of these, that's fine. Like we said, the bigger insects are not going to like the wetter environments. That's why, you know, they're staying up in trees and such like. That's where our bees' nests are. They try and keep themselves dry. They don't fly in the wet. They don't deal very well in the wet. Whereas our smaller insects might like a bit of dampness. Our woodlice, for example, where you find them in damp places under logs, for example, are going to really like having some wet vegetation. And actually, this cardboard's going to insulate it and keep it either wet or dry as well. More so. So once you've done that, this is really easy. We are just going to tie some string around it to keep it all together. And this is how easy it is. We're going to do one where we're just going to tie up yours, and we're going to, that can be popped in a bug hotel, or we can just leave it on the ground, for example, in your garden. You can make stacks of them. And this one we're going to tie up and then just hang from one of the trees as well, and that's where our flying insects might get into it as well.
Brilliant. So what do I need to do then?
So you're going to get a length of string, however long to go round it, and tie. You can tie whatever knot you want. You're all scouts. Pick your favourite knot. We're just going to use.
Well, mine's a Highwayman's hitch, so you know I don't think it'll work on this.
Maybe not, but I'm just going to cut a piece of string, like I said, world's bluntest scissors. There we go.
Doing a reef knot if anyone wants to know. And there we go.
And that is the second Easy Bug Hotel. This one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start, this is going to need 2 pieces of string.
So you're going to tie it up, and then you're going to have one where
exactly, that sort of cradles it up, and that will suspend there, so we can just hang that over a tree branch. Obviously if you want to tie it directly onto the branch, but that will sort of swing around, and you can imagine that just a little bit like a bird feeder, but if you get it next to a tree on here, like I said, we might have some of our flying insects that come in and make that their home, or stop there for a break when they're flying or whatever.
That's brilliant.
So that's flying bug insect and one for the ground.
Brilliant. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it around, because there are tons of groups out there that might need inspiration, and especially to get outside and do something fun for the environment. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It It means the world to me, and we're trying to hit 7,500. We are close to it, so come on, give it a subscribe, just scroll down, it's for free, click the red button, it's great, thank you, and see you soon, bye.